The main point that memorandum submitted on 23 August 2021 to the Honorable CM Chief Minister Sri Pema Khanduji. In this memorandum, the first point is regularization of traffic warden immediately, because traffic warden are working very hardly in any time for maintaining traffic movement. They maintain their duty in any weather without fear and safe of their life. So that we strongly urge you kindly regularize their post for maintaining their family and medical emergency. Their meager monthly wage insufficient to sustain their day-to-day livelihood and maintain medical or other problem arise in the family. In this regard, Your Honor, may kindly look into the grievances of the traffic warden and regularize their service within under this 2 months. Point number 2 states that increment of 2% of salary in the traffic warden regular by under APP, Arunachal Pradesh Police, on basis of seniority. Traffic warden under APP is maintaining traffic movement in any season for road safety, but they are not providing any benefits from the government, so that your kind honor may look into the grievances of the traffic warden and take initiative for early increase of 2% increment in this current financial year 2021 to 22. And the point number 3 states that generate or create as much as possible government non-government job various vacancies for the unemployed youth, including the creation of Arunachal Regiment. Since according to 2018 census, here is the proof given by the Department of Labor and Employment, Itanagar. Since according to the 2018 census, there are more than 57,760 registered unemployed. 57,760. I repeat again, because this is only the registered unemployed youth. Many more are still not registered. Unemployed youth under the Department of Labor and Employment, Itanagar. Hence, day by day, they are indulging in drugs, short-term illegal income, gambling, and also participating in anti-social activities. So that it is required creating jobs for engaged toward the unemployed youths of the state. It is also required to create the Arunachal Regiment for engage more and more unemployed youth of the state. Ratio of 80/20, that is already amended in the government gov sectors, but APST and respectively to engage also in the private sector, including e-commerce. The unemployed youth of state gradually increasing day by day, but government alone to engage all the unemployed youth of the state in this regard, it required to engage in private sector 80/20 ratio basis for decreasing the unemployed youth. And I also appeal the जनता से भी मैं दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ कि हमारा जो अनएम्प्लॉयड का जो जवान लोग है उससे बिजनेस में और सिक्योरिटी कम लिया जाए और उन लोग को एक सपोर्ट दिया जाए, इनकरेजमेंट दिया जाए बिजनेस करने के लिए। मैं यही अरुणाचल से वासियों से मैं वही दरख्वास्त करता हूँ। States that implementation or inclusion of branch office of the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) office under State Capital Itanagar. ये मैं पर्सनली कानून मंत्रालय न्याय एवं कानून मंत्रालय किरण रिजिजू से मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ इस पॉइंट को नोटेट करें. There are many cases pending in the Arunachal Pradesh under CBI custody, but yet there is no any positive result found till that. The corruption activities, murder, gang rape, and such other cases increasing day by day, so that it requires CBI branch of the state capital Itanagar as soon as possible to safeguard and secure of the denizens and the citizens of the state. In reference to the case of Ngurang Pinch also, it is still pending. Number 8, point number 8 states that ban or terminate those staff members, GOP or non-GOP agencies who has not meet up to the obligation for respective posts appointed directly or indirectly via politics channel. All the politics channel who has not met up the obligation, that is like qualification हो गया, जो भी वो post respective post के लिए जो qualify नहीं है उसको terminate करना है. It is the daylight truth that to some vested interest person are appointed their near and dear one who are not qualified for the post. In this regard, official functionary found difficulty. Most of the development activities are gradually not increased due to lack of quality and educated person not appointed in the proper post, so that it is required to verify whole the official department and terminate their post within in this current financial year 2021-22. And point number 9 states that immediate construction of Indo-China Trade Union route for exchange, trade and commercial, culture and technology at Koloriang Kurongkume District, Taksing, Upper Subansiri District, Arunachal Pradesh.